Guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to make this really cool pop simple dimple, but only with one pop. Like, it's pretty cool. And before we get started, like this video, subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up and turn on the post notification so whenever I post a new video you get notified. So let's get started. First, you will need these things. I don't really know. Paper, markers. I choose these. Scissors. Be careful because it's always dangerous to like touch scissors. And tape. First, you're gonna take the tape. It can be the size you want, like, you know. Which do you guys think I should choose? I should choose. I don't know. I'm gonna try the both. See. So we're just gonna like do a circle on the piece of cardboard, just like that. Then you're gonna cut it out. Sorry guys if it's too long, cause okay, now that you have done this, you're just going to take a crayon and just like a hole just like that, and then you're gonna take your scissors, put the hole inside and like make it bigger so the pop can you can use it. It's harder than it looks. It's like if you're thinking that it's very easy, you can do it also because it's really hard. Sorry for the background. This is my little brother. Come. Bye. Okay. He just went, So sorry for the background, it's very noisy. By the way, I'm in my room, that's why. I think this is good, right? Is this good? Yeah. Okay, this is nice. Okay, then you're going to take your paper, then you're just gonna draw a circle. Just watch me first, but you might do it the wrong way or the wrong. Stop. Guys, did you know that I speak French? Like, seriously, I live in Canada, so like, we have to like speak French here. But I'm usually talking French, but I love speaking English. I don't know why, I'm just not in the right school. Like, I need to be in English school. Like, I need to learn more about English. Like, English, it's one of my favorites. It's one of my favorite language, even though it's not my the language I speak often. But what do you want to say? Me too. Yeah, me also. Yoo-hoo! Yeah, he's pretty shy in front of the camera. So yeah. I don't know why he's shy. Like, why are you shy? Look, there's two of them now. They're beating their boy. Guys, please subscribe. Look, they're dying. Baby, oh, he falls. He falls of all the small time. Yeah. Okay, stop. No, never. No, actually. Then I'm just gonna like cut the two piece. Pourquoi on n'avait pas des joues? Mais ne me dérange pas. Then you're just gonna tape your tape. Arrête. Then, tu sais que je vais dire, mamie peut regarder. Alors, voilà. Like, do you wanna stay? Yeah. Okay, but don't mess with me. Okay. You can take the camera. So no, not now. So you're just gonna take. You can like put the color like you want, and then you're gonna tape the you're gonna take the tape, and you're just going to like put it on both of the sides, and now you can take it, brother. Wait, can I turn the camera? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi. It's pretty funny.
Yeah, he's pretty shy.
What are you talking about?
He's shy. Yeah.
Stop.
I'm too shy. Yeah. Number 2. Number 3, smashing tune. No, smasher.
Tune.
Smashing tune. There's a roof.
What are you talking about?
Oh, sorry, guys. Me too.
Okay, so no, sorry for the intro. So now that you have taped this side, you're just gonna do the other side, which it will be in a second. Please, guys, give this video a big thumbs up, and subscribe because I'm making this for you guys. Wish you could be just my angels. Joking.
Joking bubbles.
And go check out.
Right there.
After 2 more tapes, it will be done and good. So,
Yes, sir. No, sir. No, girl. No, boy.
where's the mom? You shine on. Hey, no. Okay, now that you have taped the both sides, just gonna take the scissors and scissors all around so there's no tape. Okay, now that you have cut, you're just gonna. Oh my gosh.
She died.
Oh my gosh. Now you're gonna take your scissors. Be careful, always. You're just gonna cut in the middle. Then you are going to like.
They just died.
And then when you like cut out, you're gonna take and just do it like this, so it like it cones. You're gonna tape the place that you have cuts.
Lizzie.
The both sides, you're gonna tape this side and the other side. This is too much, but il pouvait même pas voir. Alors.
Non, il a vu moi.
Petit doigt. Okay, now that you have did that to the both of sides, you're gonna take the piece of cardboard, and you are going to see. I think this is good, right? Yes, it's nice. Fold out. I'm gonna try to do like the same exact thing, but except the colors and all of that. You're gonna take very good so it doesn't like go. So like, if you guys understand me, can you guys even hear me? If you do, subscribe. One more, and you're good to go. Now, there you go. Pretty easy. I hope you like it. Bye.